Tell them hello. I go and tell them hello now.
Hello.
Say how you doing?
Hi,
Say hi, friend. See you. Oh. Come on, they are gone. It's only 3.
Papa chicken.
You say?
Oh, here you go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go and tell them hello now.
Oh.
Yeah, tell them bye-bye. Let's go. See, they are gone. Mama, tell them bye-bye. Let's go now.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, come. Let's go. Mama, here. Come on, ma. So anytime we see this, all these bed or what are they called? I don't even know. So you say you want to go and tell them hello, just like she did now. Mama, you see them, you say hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
yeah, you too, bread. You go and tell them hello, hi. We are going home.